Welcome back, amateurs. Check this out. We're looking real good. The snow is almost gone. Look at that. This is actually side number 2 here. Remember from the previous video, had a little mountain of snow there. But look at that, it's melting down real nice. Today's temperature is around 53 degrees. It's a nice sunny day. So it's beautiful out here, so the snow is definitely melting away. This is side number 1. Check that out. As you seen in the previous video, it was like a little bit of nice little amount of snow over here, but it's pretty much gone. I'm out here just doing a little spring cleanup, reintroducing myself to the lawn, getting the rest of these leaves out of here. But for the most part, we're good to go. And I'm just up here, actually I gotta fix my fence over here. It took a beating from the this past winter. The snow actually pushed it out of the ground. Well, it weighed it down and actually snapped the poles here. So I'm gonna remount it. That's what I'm probably gonna do later on today. But I just wanted to shoot a quick video to show you guys that we're back. Spring is right around the corner. So now I'm probably just gonna deal with see if I have a little snow mode. I don't think I'll have much snow mode here because the grass is real short, dormant. But as you see right now, got a lot of leaves here that I want to just clean up. Want to just rake it out of there and rake up a little bit of grass, so it won't be kind of laying on top of each other. But for the most part, it probably wouldn't, because the grass is real short. It was cut real short in the final days of the fall, before winter hit, before that big the first frost. So most part I'm pretty good on that. It's still not time to do anything to the lawn like fertilizing it or anything like that, because the temperatures at night probably still drop to around like 30. So I wouldn't recommend throwing any seeds down or anything like that yet until maybe I would say mid-April, when you could probably start getting started. We're about a week away from actually a week away from it being officially spring. So, but here in the northern state, I'm in Connecticut, so still the weather's kind of wacky. It'll be mid 50s during the day, with lows of about 30, 40. So I wouldn't plant any seeds. I wouldn't plant any seeds around this time of the year yet. Still not time. No fertilizer, but you can definitely prep. You definitely get your yard prepped up. I'm just gonna do a little raking, trying to get my plants back together, probably lay a little mulch down. But this is just a quick little video here to show you guys that we are back and we're heading in a good direction. I can't wait to get back in this lawn, get everything looking good again. Got a lot of upcoming stuff this year, but it's been a brutal winter. I definitely don't like the cold. I'm kind of over that right at this point. When you was younger, yeah, you love snow days, but as you get older, you don't care for the snow days anymore. As an adult, life goes on. So, but we're back. This is my reintroduction into the lawn. Hope you guys follow me this upcoming year. We've got a lot of stuff going on, so stay tuned, be ready, and let's get this lawn together. Now, actually, I want to show you guys something also. Hold on one moment. Check it out. So I went ahead and got my my 3 bags of Milo. I went ahead and got them out the way early this year. so I don't have to actually run into that Milo shortage that last season had. So, and actually I got these 3 bags at Walmart. They put their stuff out very early this year, so I was in a Walmart and I actually just walked over to the lawn and garden section, and boom, I seen Milo's already set out on the shelves and ready to go. And it was actually I think it was maybe about 10 bags left on the shelf. So I don't know when they actually put everything out, but I just so happened to walk over to their lawn and garden section, and boom, here it was. So I said, let me pick up my bags now before like last year when we went on that little drought where you couldn't even get a bag of Milo anywhere. So now you see, this is definitely the new formula. 36 pounds, covers up 2,500 square feet. So this is way more than enough that I'm gonna need for this front yard here. My front yard is maybe a total of well, I know it's under 1,000, so I think it's about 750 800 square feet. So I'm all set for the summer with this. And I think I have about 2.5 bags of Milo and already in my shed, so I got more than enough. But I'm gonna put those on ice and have them already ready to go for future projects. And check it out. Hold on one moment. So actually, when I was in Walmart, and I noticed something here. It was a big difference between the prices of Walmart's Milorganite and like Home Depot and Lowe's. This is the actual receipt here, and as you can see, their Milorganite is priced at $11.57 compared to like Home Depot and Lowe's. I think they're up in like almost the $13 to $14 range. And as you notice, that they only got it labeled as fertilizer. So I don't understand, but I know Walmart is definitely giving you a great deal on Milorganite here. So you can't beat that. So I'm not Walmart, and nobody sponsors this video, but I'm just trying to show you how you can actually save a few dollars if you go to Walmart compared to them other a lot of those other stores, the other big box stores, where they're pricing their Milorganite probably $2 or $3 more expensive. So that was just a little quick little note, quick little pointer there. I don't know if every Walmart carries Milorganite. I know it's like maybe 2 in the area, in my area, that carry Milorganite. So those are like the super centers. I don't know if everybody has a super center or if all your stores are super centers, but I know in my area we got like some regular Walmarts, and then we got a couple super centers. So, but they definitely carry Milorganite, and it's about $3 cheaper. So I'll take it. So if you go ahead and think about it, I saved about $9 on 3 bags. And I know my local lawn and garden stores, their Milorganite's about $14 also. So hey, that was just a quick little note. Guys, hopefully you guys stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. We're definitely getting better. We're building. And we're going to continue to build this lawn. Take care.